Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial, specially for beginners, on how to use Asana, a project management tool that enable virtual assistant to efficiently schedule and manage project from scratch. Your clients will love you for this. Be sure to watch this video until the end, as this video is packed with juicy content. Before that, let's get into the intro. Welcome back. First, go to asana.com, click Get Started button. Type in your email address. Go to your email provider's website, click Asana Email, click Verify Your Email button. Once verify, you will see this page. Key in your name and password. Click Continue. Select your primary role. Select what kind of work you do. Select your objective in Asana, and I will choose the recommended setting. Now we are going to set up our first project. Key in your project name here. Key in your tasks here. Key in your sections here. Choose your layout here. You can choose list, board, timeline, or calendar. Key an email you want to collaborate with. For this you can skip for now. Now you can see the dashboard. Here you can see your workplace. Within your workplace, you can create projects, tasks and subtasks. I will show you how to create this. Go to my workplace. Click on plus sign. Select on blank project. Key in project name. Select default view. For privacy, you can choose private or public. Click Continue and go to Project. You can add sections for each project. Let's say add the days of the week for each section. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Let's assume only 5 working days in a week. All done. Click on the plus sign. Then key in your tasks. Click on Details. In the description box, you can add details. You can key in anything you like to keep note of for this task. Go to this icon to add subtasks. You can click on this when task is complete. Click here for subtasks more details. Assign tasks here. Set due date here. This icon here is for attached file. You can select your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Click here. You can view the tasks in broad view. You can assign tasks here. And assign due date here. You can move the tasks to any day you want. Click here. You can move the tasks to any day you want. This is another way to mark your tasks complete. Just click this icon. Click here to view your completed tasks. This is how you can create projects for personal tasks management. To create a project for clients, go to My Workplace. Click on plus sign. Key in project name. Select Prefer Privacy. Select Default Preview. Click Create. Click Go to Project button. Click this arrow here. You can choose to color here. Do the same for Client 2. Create Project. Key in Name. Click Continue. Click Go to Project button. Select the color you want. So this is how you can organize multiple projects. Click this icon to create workspace. Click More. Select Create New Workplace. Key in Workplace name. Click Create Workplace. Click here. Click on New Project. You can choose Template. For now, let's choose Blank Project. Key in Project name. Select Prefer Privacy. Select Default View. Click Create. Click Go to Project button. Repeat the same process for this project. So this is how to organize multiple workplace. For clients to able to view your workplace, click Invite People. Key in email addresses. Click Send. Let's say client want to do Instagram and Facebook. First, create Instagram tasks. The process for create tasks is the same. Again, you can assign tasks here. Type your comment here. Your comment will notify the person the task assigned to, and client as well. For recurring tasks, go to Due Date. Click Repeat icon. Select the number of days you want. The tasks will automatically remind you and the people assigned to. You can also duplicate tasks. Go to More option. Select Duplicate Tasks. Key in task name. You have successfully duplicated a task. To share task link, click this icon to copy link. You can share the link to anyone, and they will see this specific task. You can also share workplace link. Click the arrow near the project name. Click to copy and share the link. With this, you can better collaborate with anyone. You can easily organize projects. And all these are free. Now, whenever there is a new client, you can share this to impress them. This shows that you have system and tool in hand. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video.
You